Let's make some Cynful bourbon cherry compote. Start out by putting our cherries in the pan. I'm using frozen cherries this time. Turn that pan up to about medium high. Add our sugar. And a little bit of water just to kind of get that going. Go ahead and stir that all together so you can get that sugar all incorporated into the water and the juices that are starting to come out of the cherries. Get all those cherries coated in the sugar off the bottom. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our bourbon. We're going to add 2 tablespoons. Now, if you're doing this for like syrup for French toast or pancakes or something, you can leave this step out. But for what we're using this for, we're going to go ahead and add it. We're going to continue to cook. And as those cherries start to melt, get a little softer, we're going to go ahead and start kind of smashing them a little bit. So we want to get the pulp out of the cherry and have that skin in there, and that all of that's going to pull it together and solidify it some as we continue to cook. Now it looks like this. In the cooking process, we're going to go ahead and add that lemon juice. That makes the cherries nice and bright. This is actually really simple. It sounds complicated, but it's really not. All you're doing is cooking those cherries down. Now we're going to taste for flavor, see if we need any more sugar or anything else we need in there. And oh, that's perfect. And I'm grabbing a smaller spoon. I'm going to continue to smash those cherries as they cook because I want that to thicken. And we're also reducing the juices in there, so we're going to intensify the flavor. Here we are. We're almost done. Look at that. Wouldn't that go good on French toast or pancakes or waffles? A little bit of whipped cream. Oh my. We're pretty much done here, and it'll thicken as it cools. Here's the recipe. Now, y'all don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.